Hey everyone, Brian at Green Pitch Urban Farms, or just Green Pitch Farms for short. So we did it. This is our mini crawl-in greenhouse. I apologize for the wind. I don't have a microphone on me. This is sort of a spur of the moment decision to do this video. But what we did was we got a 1 mil thickness. I think it was a 1 mil. It's a heavy mil thickness. I'll put the materials in the description. We got 2x4s, 2x2s, and some heavy mil film, essentially. And then that is about 5 feet. The idea is that because we're on the 3rd floor here, we get a lot of wind coming right through that corridor, that little urban valley. And so the idea I have is basically, once it's warm enough not to have the greenhouse anymore, having just that as a windscreen and possibly something on this side. I don't know yet. Still kind of figuring this out as I go. And then for now, this will serve as a greenhouse. Temperatures are in Fahrenheit, like 40s at night, and then it varies, 50s in the day, 60s in the day. So for ventilation, I'm going to open up the sides to let air flow through so that on the real hot days it doesn't get too warm. Quick tour inside. That bin there, that tub, I have my thermometer and it got up to like 75, 80 degrees in the sun. So I've got that cranked open a little bit since it's already inside its own new greenhouse setting. But I've got lettuces going and they're starting to really take root and do well. Hard to see from here. Yeah. From what you can see, they're taking root. There I have some spinach going that I've just had basic cloth cover on. And then these, I'll probably put in beets, and I'll have beets probably in there or in the deeper planter. And then in here I'll probably plant more spinaches and lettuces, and then just do cut and come again. So yeah, we have got on the deck in the city, we've got our mini crawl-in greenhouse. Video from the inside. Got the plastic up. There's my thermometer, but already I can feel the heat building up in here. Holy moly. So it's going to be plenty warm for growing things. So yeah, this will be part 2. Thanks for watching, everyone. You can follow Green Pitch Farms for new content on the website and social media sites listed below. Be well, everyone. Talk to you soon.